Earnbucks.co. Is it a scam? Is it legit? What exactly is it? Let's take a look at this website today. If you watched my channel before, you already know exactly what this is because I've done lots of reviews of sites like this in the past. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. I make videos about making money online. I have hundreds of videos in my back catalog. Also, please stick around to the end of the video because I'm going to show you 6 different apps / websites where you can get extra money right away, and they're really cool. And I'll show you a bonus, a 7th website where you can promote affiliate products such as these kind of sites on for free. Anyways, let's get right into this. So, Earnbucks.co. Let's see here. Earned $500 today. Earnbucks is the #1 influencer network in the world, connecting influencers to advertisers. Earn $10 to $15 for every friend you invite. Very interesting. So what do? You join. You'll receive $25 bonus when you're registered. Share your unique link on from your dashboard and get $10 every person you invite. Blah blah blah. Payments through Cash App, PayPal, Bitcoin, or mailed check. And then there's some testimonials here, so on and so forth. So, some interesting facts about this. Let's just get right into this. About us. Okay, so Earnbucks started 10 years. That's interesting. Began in 2015. That's interesting, and I'm going to show you why in a second. Let's go to payment proofs. There's some stuff here. Okay, with over $158 million paid. That's interesting. And when I say interesting, I mean shady. Very shady. And I'm going to show you why in a second here. Today is December 31st, 2019. You can check the timestamp in this YouTube video when it was uploaded to YouTube. Depending on where you are in the world, I guess. But anyways, so I go to the Whois database here for this website, Earnbucks.co, and see they are registered on 12/9/2019, December 9th, 2019, not even a month ago, a couple weeks ago. So you expect me to believe that they paid out that much money, $158 million. They said they were around since 2015. Some of these payment proofs probably have dates on them. I'm not going to go through them all here now because I'm going to show you something else that's very, very shady. Let's go to that video test, or where is it at? Info. Terms and conditions, yada, yada, yada. Okay, so this has been updated April 4th, 2019. Obviously not, because we just see that they were created less than 3 weeks ago. 99 years old or older. 99 years of age or older. If you're under the age of 99, you are not allowed to use Earnbucks sites in its features nor our services. What is going on? So, yeah, totally a scam. Now remember, stick around. I'm going to show you 6 more apps or whatever, stuff like that. But this stuff is such nonsense. There's so many websites like this. And I'm not going to go in. I didn't create an account. You sign in, you create an account, whatever, you sign up. And then they have you do all these tasks. There's these tasks walls and such where they have, you do pay money to do offers, and that's how they make money through affiliate marketing. Plus, these sites have been known to be like data farms, taking your information and such. I mean, it's just nuts. I mean, even if you go here, privacy policy, you click on these links that you're supposedly supposed to check off, they go nowhere. They go nowhere at all. Fraud policy, whatever, nowhere at all. So anyways, let's get into some legit apps here. Ones that you're going to pay you pretty much instantly. I have a few that I've been using. I have a kit here there'll be a link for this down in the video description below. This is called Kit website. And I have a kit here. And these are some referral links that I have for different apps that I use. Legit ones. These are all iOS and Android. Most of them are worldwide. Some are not. I'll get into that in a second. But this is a website too. This is the other bonus I was talking about that you could use to promote legitimate products and such. You can create an account here. Again, there'll be a link down just below. But I want to show you some apps that I use to make money from. Cash App. So Cash App is basically, you can get $5 just for signing up when you use my link, my referral code, and then you can refer people as well. And it's basically kind of like PayPal. You can send cash between friends and stuff like that. You can even do stocks on here as well. Let's go to the Apple Store and see the ratings. So we have, where's the ratings? 4.6 out of 5. So that's really high ratings. All right, there's someone happy on person here or whatever. But as you can see, most of them are 5 stars. Very good ratings. Easy way to spend, send money, even invest now. They just add the investing stuff. And I use it. I actually have their debit card too. You don't have to get the debit card, but you can buy and sell Bitcoin, all this other stuff, and send money between friends. You're, splitting a bill at a restaurant or whatever you're doing. So again, use my link. You can get $5 instantly, and then you can refer people as well, and then you get $5. Next up is Dosh. This is another app that you can get money for referring friends. Sometimes it's $5, sometimes it's $10. They keep changing it. I made about $200 to $300 in the last couple months with this app just by referring people. But you get cash back. Basically, you connect your credit card or your debit card, whatever you use. And when you go shopping out at stores, that's all you do. You just set it and forget it. Stores that they are associated with, you're going to get cash back on. And then that's it. And then you just transfer your money to your PayPal, donate to charity, or your bank account or whatever. And there's a bunch of stores right down here that they're affiliated with or whatever. And let's check out their rating here. This is on iOS as well. 4.7 out of 5. Over 100,000 ratings. I can't even talk. But anyways, really, really cool app. I recommend it. Next up, we have Pi. This is Pi the network. This is invite only. This is free cryptocurrency mining on your phone, Android and iOS. And you're going to use my invite code. So when you click on my link from my kit page here, which is down here, Pi right there, sorry. Claim Pi, just click on my link. And you'll be in my my mining network as well. So if you click download the app, you're going to want to use referral code Greg1 when you sign up. Let's check out the ratings here on the iOS store. 4.4 out of 5 out of 500 some ratings. So a real good way. I got like over 5,000 Pi already that I've been mining on my phone just for, I guess, I don't know, maybe a month or two I've been using it. I forget exactly when I signed up. So another really cool app. Delivery.com. This is in the United States only, about 100 different cities. You're going to get $10 right away when you sign up with my referral link. It's for delivering food, groceries, and stuff like that. It's really cool. I'm not going to go into all this because it's United States only. It's only in about 100 cities. So if you live in a major city, you're probably going to be part of this, or this will be available to you. You can go to the App Store here and check out the ratings on that as well. Now I'm showing you the Apple ones, but it is Android as well. 4.8 out of 5, 21,000 ratings, very good. A couple bad ones as usual. There's also a website you can use. I usually order from the website anyways. Okay, so another one here, Rakuten. Now, when you sign up, you're going to get $10 bonus after I think you have to spend money first or whatever. And this is another cash back thing here. But you're going to get instant $10. And when you refer people, when you use my referral link, I'm going to get $25. And when you refer people, you're going to get $25. But you're going to get $10 bonus today. And it's another thing. This is for shopping online. They have an app as well. When you shop, just like you shop normally, you don't have to do anything really different. Well, this one you actually have to go to their website and click in. But there's a Google Chrome extension, all this other stuff. So if you're going to shop at, whatever, Kohl's, Macy's, Walmart, eBay, Amazon, you're going to get cash back to this account here. So that's really cool. Another really cool app. The next one up here is Robinhood. When you use my link we're each going to get a free stock. And when you use my link, you're going to come up to a page like so, and you have one, and there's different chances of getting really high stocks. I'm not going to go into everything here. Facebook, Microsoft, JP Morgan, and so forth and so on. And it's really cool. If you know nothing about investing, it's a really good way just to start. I have stocks in here that I got free. All the ones I didn't even invest anything into this app. I just keep getting the free stocks for referring people. So another really cool app that you can use to get instant money, and they are all listed here on Kit. And another place you could create an account here for free and just create your kit here like this. I have Cash Apps. I have many other kits, if you will. I've been using this for a little bit now too. Right now I have 9 kits about making money online, affiliate marketing, my Cash Apps, and different stuff like that. But anyways, folks, really cool stuff. That is all for now, and I will talk to you soon.